Welcome to 302 Rolling Rock in beautiful Atlanta Country Club. I'm Amy Pedersen with Purpose Driven Real Estate Group. Let's go take a look, shall we? Work and hosting are effortless with a handsome office to one side and a formal dining room designed for intimate gatherings and celebrations. The light-filled living room is a statement of its own. Soaring ceilings, designer lighting, and French doors that open wide to your screened-in porch where morning coffee and evening breezes feel equally at home. The heart of the home is the newly renovated kitchen, elegant yet functional, with waterfall quartz countertops, a wine cooler, ice maker, and sun-soaked breakfast area designed for connection. From weekend brunch to weeknight dinners, this space is where life unfolds naturally. Upstairs, the primary suite is a retreat unto itself. Between the tray ceilings, the fireplace, the beautiful custom closet, and the spa bath beneath the skylights, this space is something special. The custom bunk room, a haven of imagination. Built-ins, games, and memories waiting to be made in here. The fully furnished terrace level is an entertainer's dream, with a wine cellar, a home theater, a custom bar, space for a game room, complete with an additional bedroom and bathroom and private patio access. This space has it all. Step outside to a private oasis, complete with a plunge pool, outdoor fireplace, and full pool house with its own bath, half bath, kitchenette, and laundry. Perfect for guests, an au pair, or multi-generational living. Ultimate privacy combined with timeless elegance, 302 Rolling Rock is a special home indeed, where everyday living feels extraordinary. I'm Amy Pedersen with Purpose Driven Real Estate Group. Let's get you inside for a tour, shall we?